Hello, Western New York. This may or may not get posted when this is done. I mean, it's probably going to be sometime after I get this done, post this, because let's put it this way, my power is out. And, you know, we got some wind, we've had some good wind, and you can hear a saw going on because a tree fell down and took out the power line. And needless to say, I'm short on power in a couple of things. Yeah. And well, at the moment, it's, like I said, a tree fell down, and at the moment my landlord is busy cutting it up. Well, aka my cousin. Hey, Brad, tell Jim that power's out in my trailer. So I'm making a bit of a YouTube video showing what's going on. Yeah. Making a YouTube video. YouTube video for the internet. And this is my Uncle Jim. Say hello. He's also my landlord. Yeah. Well, basically when I get power, I'm gonna upload this to YouTube.
You don't have power though?
No. I mean, I got some power on two of my things, but no, you know, my microwave and the coffee maker, but...
Yeah. I got a guy coming there.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Basically what's going on is it's windy, extremely windy. We've had a few good gusts. There's been a few trees that have fallen down, including, well, the one tree that's leaning down, that was from a previous storm, but this one was, the one I just showed you that was laying down on the ground was fresh today. You know, I mean, so basically I'm without power for the time being. And you just saw my landlord. He's also my uncle, well, great uncle technically. Well, technically he'd be my great aunt's husband. But then we're getting into details. You know. And, well, at the moment I got wind, lots of wind. And quite frankly, if you got a tree with some bad branches, you do not want to be underneath said tree or near said tree. So gonna take a quick look at my plants. You know, I mean, some of them, well, that might be from the maple, just probably from the maple. That's from the maple. Real windy, very windy. As you can see. Well, you know, you might notice that the one strapped to my camera is flapping around. And, I mean, look at this pine tree. That's windy. And we got storm clouds coming. One thing I kind of hope is that we don't get another tornado. We do not need another tornado. Well, that's just nice. This swing just fell over because of the wind. That's a pain in the rear ever. Granted, this is not the world's best swing, you know, I mean, well, if I'm the spring, I want spring for it. Well, let me see here how my plant's doing. Well, on the bright side, my plants seem to be doing just fine. In fact, they look like they're doing pretty good. You know? I mean, I guess I can't complain too much. I mean, other than the fact I got a whole lot of wind. Let me see here. I'm trying this with one hand, so fair on the fact that I'm okay. Just got that attached. That's reattached. Blackberry leaf. Like I said, it's windy. I'm not going to stand underneath any of these old trees. Some of them look like they... Oh. Some of them look like they're taking some damage. As in right now. There's a gold fence that's at a tree that fell over it. Well, I'm going to go tell my landlord about that and whatnot, and well, it's western New York and it's real windy out here, okay? So I might show some more later, hopefully. Hit the little like button, all that other good stuff. Goodbye.